dirt like in the tiny holes from which a broom or a mop cannot reach, or hand can also. Basically, there is a fan and a filter and a mouth. Here, the mouth sucks the dirt, and the filter holds the dirt in a filter compartment, and it does not allow the dirt to go in the go near to the fan, and basically it helps the fan. And I have connected a battery, a DPDT, a motor here, and a fan with the motor.
ब्रीथ करके आराम से.
When I switch on the DPDT from one side of right side, it's start rotating, and it sucks the dirt, and then
No idea what is that circle, what is that, what are those rectangles? There's no idea at all really.
it is a fan, motor, DPDT, and this is the battery, and this is the filter, and the mouth. So basically, a fan is made up of the metal sheets, and metal sheets are made in this way that it is curved like curved. The fan is curved so that it can easily maintain the higher pressure and the lower pressure in the container. If there will be a
in the container, low air pressure and higher pressure एक ही साथ में in the container.
No.
You said what?
Like in this container, beyond the container, there are some holes from which the extra air comes out, and it maintains the higher pressure and the lower pressure.
Can you use arrow or something to show how it is working? Arrows or something?
Here is see, the air is coming, and then the air is coming out of these holes. And basically the dirt is coming inside from the mouth, and the dirt is stored in the filter area, filter compartment. So whenever we have to take out the dirt, we can easily open it which is connected with
Which
the
one is the filter compartment?
Yeah, this one.
This one, okay.
And the filter, the basic work of the filter is to prevent the dirt going in the fan, and the DPDT helps the fan to work in both the directions, and Yeah.
Why is the air coming in the vacuum or the compartment? The air which is in the environment, why it is rushing inside the filter
They're
compartment?
asking कि air अंदर क्यों आ रही है? Why is it getting?
Because there is space for air, in which for that we have also talked about the higher pressure and lower pressure, so that it is maintained.
No, you did not talk about it. Just mentioned it.
Yes.
Yeah, did not talk about it कि how it is so.
What
why it is so.
creates higher pressure and lower pressure?
उसके बारे में आपने कोई बात नहीं की. आपने कुछ बताया, बोला कि higher pressure, lower pressure. We did not get an idea. Where is it like? कहाँ apply हो रहा है? किधर है ये high low? पूरी चीज समझाओ. देखो ऐसे सोचो.
Yeah, I am telling that only. Imagine this room is filled with air, and filled with air, and if there will be some space outside of the room, the air will rush there, because to maintain the pressure in the room. If there will be a lot of air in the room, and we will not able to work and stand easily, because the air is pushing us so hardly that we cannot stand. And if we will open this room, the air will rush outside it and
Open it.
Like say we will open it,
Yeah.
and then the air will rush out, and
I'm not feeling any air rushing out. Are you feeling air rushing out?
No.
It's not rushing out. You just said it will rush out. It is not rushing out. Then just asking. So come back. Close the door. Come back. So it's not rushing out. So you said it will. It is not. हाउ इज इट रशिंग इन योर वैक्यूम? वैक्यूम में कैसे रश इन हो रहा है? अभी जैसे ऐसे वैक्यूम रखा हुआ है, अभी इसमें डस्ट पार्टिकल्स अंदर जा रहे होंगे,
No.
डस्ट पार्टिकल अंदर जा रहे होंगे.
No.
व्हाई इज एयर नॉट रशिंग इन? क्यों नहीं जा रही एयर अंदर? वो पूछ रहे हैं, वो द नीलांश इज आस्किंग द सेम थिंग बेसिकली. व्हाई डज इट वर्क? हाउ डज इट वर्क? व्हाई डज एयर रश इन? क्यों?
Because the fan is designed in this way that there are curved wings of the fan, basically which let the suck the air inside it and push
So the air will again and again revolve or rotate inside the container.
Yes.
It's not, the air is not going outside
When
the
it is going out, it will not revolve the air. Like say, if I will rotate it in this way, rotate it in this. See, you can see the fan. I will rotate it. The wings are curved, so that it will push the air present inside it, and the air will go down, come out, and the another air particles will come and push. The fan is basically doing a job of pushing the air.
Pushing the air backwards.
Yeah.
And how is air coming out of the container?
Because of these dots.
No, so I agree what you said. The fan is basically pushing the air backwards and sucking the air from the front.
Yeah.
Perfect. Why does air from outside comes into rushes into the pipe?
Because there is an empty space in this. Because of that, there is an empty space in the vacuum cleaner.
Empty space. The air is always there. Empty space कहाँ है ऋषभ? Air तो हमेशा है अंदर. एयर तो हमेशा है ना अंदर. नाउ यू आर नॉट यूजिंग हाई प्रेशर एंड लो प्रेशर वर्ड जब एक्चुअली में यूज करना चाहिए. when the fan is sucking the air, it is pushing it backward. The fan is constantly trying to create a low pressure zone inside that lower container in your diagram. Lower container, वहां पे constantly low pressure zone create करने की कोशिश कर रहा है fan by removing the molecules of air and pushing them backward through the holes at the bottom. वहां से constantly fan molecules को remove करने की कोशिश कर रहा है. That creates a low air pressure inside the container, that lower container. Yeah. Due to which the air which is at higher pressure and normal atmospheric pressure outside the vacuum cleaner rushes in to take the place. So that is how the wind patterns also gets, on the planet जो wind flow होती है, तो जहाँ पे गर्म environment होता है वहाँ पे air heat up होके ऊपर rise करती है and आसपास से colder air it comes rushing in to take the place. It's like एक कंटेनर है, दो कंटेनर से सेम साइज के, एक कंटेनर में 10 मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं, दूसरे कंटेनर में 10,000 मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं. तो 10,000 मॉलिक्यूल्स वाला कंटेनर इज एट, दोनों का स्पेस सेम है, 10,000 मॉलिक्यूल्स वाला विल बी एट हायर एयर प्रेशर. उनको कनेक्ट कर दोगे अगर किसी तरह से,
the higher pressure zone will reach to the lower pressure.
yeah, the molecules from higher pressure zone will move to the lower pressure zone.
Yeah.
So हम यहाँ पे वो lower pressure zone fan से create कर रहे हैं. Fan is, that is what happens when you suck the cold drink, straw डाल के तुम straw के अंदर जो air molecules होते हैं उनको suck करते हो, एयर प्रेशर जो स्ट्रॉ के अंदर है वो कम हो जाता है. और बाहर का एयर प्रेशर pushes the surface of the cold drink and it cold drink comes up. It's just balancing of forces यार, really. Yeah. Initially you were using low air pressure, high air pressure words without explaining them. Now when you are explaining it, you are not putting a word to it. Connect करो ना चीजों को.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है.
Pratish, you were asking something.
Oh, I was asking when you said that the DPDT is doing the work of allowing the motor to rotate in both directions. So I got the first direction is used to suck in the dirt. What's the other direction then?
Other direction is for blowing the dirt. Where it is not possible for the vacuum cleaner to suck, it can easily blow the air and the dirt particle will be removed from that place.
यार मुझे लगता है कि इसमें एक इशू है, बट अगर सपोज तुम ब्लो करोगे द ब्लोइंग विल नॉट बी इफेक्टिव, क्योंकि ब्लो में तुम्हारा जो बीच में फिल्टर आ रहा है ना वो ब्लोइंग को रोकेगा. एयर को बाहर पुश करने से वो फिल्टर रोकेगा।
So we can increase the holes in present in the filter.
फिर सकिंग करते वक्त मिट्टी वगैरह पंखे तक आ जाएगी। तुम क्या कर सकते हो, देयर इज ऑलवेज अ वेरी सिंपल थिंग व्हिच इज मतलब तुम बहुत जगह यूज कर सकते हो। जैसे डोर है, ये डोर एक ही डायरेक्शन में खुलता है, तो वो जो फिल्टर है दैट कैन बी मेड विद मेनी डोर्स व्हिच विल ओपन इन वन डायरेक्शन ओनली। तो जब ब्लो करोगे ना तो फिल्टर पूरा ओपन हो सकता है ऐसे ब्लो करते वक्त, बट जब सब कर रहे होगे तो फिल्टर बंद ही रहेगा, वो ऐसे नहीं जाएगा, वो ऐसे तो जा सकता है। यहाँ से ब्लो करोगे तो वो ऐसे खुल जाएगा, ब्लो होके एयर बाहर, ठीक है। बट जब सब करोगे तो वो नीचे नहीं जा पाएगा क्योंकि यहाँ से स्टक है, जैसे गेट होता है।
Yeah, see, we have put in angles here so that it will not go down. Easily we can do that. We can increase the fan speed so that it lifts the
It lifts the filter.
And when we suck, it sucks, but not suck the filter because the filter is having the holes for it, and it easily holds it to going down in the fan.
What will be the effects of increasing or decreasing the diameter of this pipe, the mouth?
See, if we increase the diameter of this mouth, it will suck more dirt and which will affect the filter, which cannot easily.
That will be more efficient, right? If the mouth is big, the more dirt will come in at the same time. So
How do you know that more dirt will come if you increase the diameter of this pipe? How do you know more dirt will come? How?
Experimentation we can do. We can put so many thermocouples.
अभी नहीं पता ना, करके देखना पड़ेगा। तुझे क्या लगता है? वैसे आई थिंक मोर ज़्यादा इसका डायमीटर बढ़ाओगे ना तो नहीं आएगा।
Because pressure will increase.
ज़्यादा एरिया से आएगी बट
बहुत कम
उतनी रशिंग कर नहीं पाएगी।
हाँ, उसके पीछे भी रीज़न है भाई, तो there's a reason। ठीक है, एनीथिंग एल्स? किसी को कुछ पूछना है? You want to say anything? You want to add?
No.
Sure.